Today I'm going to show you how to improve the efficiency of your furnace and eliminate the potential of sending stale, dirty basement air up into your living space, right here on the Everyday Man. The filter slides into a slot in the cold air return ductwork, right here. By design, the sheet metal has to be wider than the typical cardboard frame filter. But in many cases, that slot is much wider than it has to be. When my filter is installed, you can see an air gap between the slot and the filter. The slot opening draws air into the furnace directly from the floor of the basement. And even if some of it's drawn through the filter, it's still drawing in contaminants. This means that all the basement contaminants such as mold, mildew, musty smell, dirt and dust, allergens, and even radon all get pulled into the ductwork, through the furnace, and up into our living space upstairs where you and your family will breathe it. You don't want that. But don't worry, the solution is easy and you can do it yourself in just a few minutes. We're going to use a weather strip tape. This is perfectly clear tape. It's designed to stick to window frames, door frames, cracks in the wall, things like that. This product is designed to come back off. Let's take the filter out. Before we put that tape on the filter and on this, we want to make sure this is clean. It's got to be clean of dust and dirt, or there's no tape in the world that will stick to dirt. Now what I like to use is I like this. This is Crud Cutter. It's a good product for cleaning dirt off of pretty much any surface. So give it a quick spray and then wipe it down real quick. And you don't want to put that tape on, obviously, if it's wet, right? When you're installing your furnace filter, make sure that you look for the arrow. There's going to be an arrow on every furnace filter, and that arrow needs to be pointing towards your furnace. That's the direction of the airflow. Your airflow comes down the ductwork, through the filter, and into the furnace and up and out, right? Okay, so we take the arrow, make sure we got it set the right way. Get your furnace filter in there. Now we just take the tape. You're going to reach in pretty much as far as you can go. Put it on top of tighten it down on top of the furnace filter and press down the tape, right? I'm going to put tape on that side also, because it's just too easy, right? All right, press it down on top of the cardboard of the filter and just press it down on the metal. There you have it. Got to do the other side because I can't reach all that way. Okay, that's nice. That is perfectly sealed. No air is going to get in from this gap. Well, that was pretty easy, you have to admit. Hey, if you like what you see on these videos, do me a favor, hit the like and subscribe button, and then you'll be notified when there's new releases out there that you might be interested in, and it'll also help my channel that I'm trying to grow. So, don't just put the filter in, right? Put the filter in and seal that gap up. You're going to be better off for doing it, and your family won't be breathing all the contaminants coming out of your basement in the air upstairs. And with that said, this is the Everyday Man saying thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you next time.